Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Welcome to Darul Arqam School, Class 3, Unit number 3, Computers in Everyday Life. Computers have made our lives easier. They are used in many fields, from banking and medical to designing, space research and publishing. Today I will tell you uses of computers in different fields of life. For example, first of all, I will tell you uses of computers in banks. As you will see in the video, computers are widely used in banks for the following purposes: record keeping, number 2, maintaining accounts of customers, number 3, verifying checks. Most use of computer is in the form of ATMs in the banks. ATM means an automated teller machine, is an electronic banking outlet. Most banks have ATMs. Customers can withdraw money using an ATM card at any time of the day. This is the use of computers in banks. Now I will tell you other use of computers in hospitals, schools, offices, designs, publishing machines and spaceships. Now next, uses of computers in hospitals. Computers are used in hospitals for the following purposes: keeping records of patients and medicines, maintaining patient history, diagnostic diseases like ECG, radiotherapy were not possible without computers. ECG, an electronic cardiogram, is a test that measures the heartbeat. Radiotherapy is used to treat disease like destroy cancer cells. And other use of computers is as diagnostic system machine. A patient monitoring system is also included computers applications. Next, I will tell you what is the use of computers in schools and offices. Computers are an important part of office work. Computers are used for communication within and outside of place work. Computer prepares salary statements of employees, and computers store, document, create presentations and write letters. This is the use of computers in schools and offices. Now next one is uses of computers in design industry, like designing in schools, designing in clothes, designing on walls, etc. Many professionals use computers to create designs. Graphic designers create and edit designs on computers. Architects create designs of buildings like homes, schools, hospitals, etc. on a computer. They also modify them on computers. Fashion designers design clothes on computers. Computer calligraphy is fast, replacing handwritten calligraphy. It means that computer calligraphy is faster as compared to handwritten calligraphy. Understand? Next, I will tell you about the use of computers in space and publishing machines. Publishing is the art of creating brochures, flyers and other promotional materials. And the last one is uses of computers in space research. Computers are used to monitor and control space equipments and satellites. Satellites are linked to computers that provide useful information for space research. Space shuttles and rockets that send astronauts into space are controlled by computers. I hope after watching this video you will be able to understand the use of computers in different fields of life, and you will also understand how the use of computers have made our lives easier. Dear students, you will be able to understand use of computers in different fields of life as astronaut, spaceship. I hope you will understand.